Hey foodies, still got my hair under control, for now, but while I wait for the barbershops to open up again, I like to enjoy the finer things in life, like some fried cheese. And I'm going to show you how to make the easy, quickest, tastiest fried cheese you'll ever make. Let's do this. Alright foodies, so the first thing we're going to make is our hot chili honey. We're going to add a cup of honey to a frying pan, then add in a tablespoon of Sriracha Sauce and a quarter teaspoon of Chili Flakes. Alright, now once that's all combined, we're going to set this to a medium temperature and heat it up. The goal is not to boil it, just bring it up to a nice lukewarm temperature so it allows the honey to loosen up and get those spicy flavors all infused together. Now let's take this off the heat and place it aside while we make our fried feta. We are going to place a bowl of flour and a bowl of egg wash, and what we're going to do is take our 120 grams of feta cheese and dip it into the egg wash solution, and then take it and put it into our flour, just to make sure everything is coated. And you want to make sure you don't skip this step, it's going to help give it a nice crispy coating. Now that our flour is nicely coated, let's grab a frying pan and put about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of olive oil into your pan and set it to a medium heat. You don't want to set this too high because you don't want the cheese or flour to burn before it's done cooking. Alright, let's grab our feta cheese and slowly add it to the oil. Be careful not to splash and burn yourself. Now we're going to let that cook on that side for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and golden brown, and then flip it over. Once flipped, cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to place this into a 350 degree oven for about 10 minutes until the cheese becomes nice and soft. Now I did move this into a new frying pan. I didn't want to have all that extra oil on the bottom of the pan because this is the pan I will be serving my feta cheese with. And a perk of it being a cast iron pan is it will keep nice and hot while people are eating it. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's have a look. Ooh, look at that nice color, the bubbling cheese. Now let's top this with our chili honey we made. Just go ahead and drizzle that on. Oh yeah, nice and sticky. Let's grab zest of a lemon and let's put that over. And then we're going to use the juice of that lemon and squeeze that over the top. And just a few sprinkles of fresh thyme. Now you can serve this with pita, but I've decided to serve it with nice fresh crusty bread that I grilled. Now let's give this a try. The saltiness and the honey make this a really tasty dish. Let's spread that on there. Now let's give this a bite. That is so good. Foodie out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel and I appreciate all the support I can get.